Yo, what's up guys, my name is Cairo Essay, and if you are new to my channel, thank you very much for watching this video. If you're a return soldier, shout out to you man, cause you be keeping it down. And today I'll be breaking down a dark sample inspired by songs like Daylight and Far Away by Drake. And how I started this sample is I actually started with the bass, and this is how it sounds like. So for the bass, I only added a EQ. That's just taking out the low end a little bit to make space for the other elements. I then went to a kit by Make Shooter called Wave Crates 3, and I took a piano phrase from there, and I chopped it up to make it sound like an old sample, and this is how it sounds like. I then also restretched it and pitched it up by 12 cents, and this is how it sounds like now. Yes, it's giving that Drake vibe. And after that, before I forget, for the piano phrase, I only added a Pro Q3, which is a EQ, to shape the sound. I probably just took the low end as well as the highs a little bit to cover space for the other sounds in the sample. And then still in the same pack, I took out a Discord call from Make Shooter, and I also played with it a little bit, and this is how it sounds like. So for the effects on that, I actually added outer space as well as penman to pen the sound from left to right. I also took low end from the sound itself. I then added a harp after that, and the harp sounds like this. And for the master effects, I added isotope vinyl to recreate that old school sound. I also added guitar rig 6. I don't remember the preset that I use, but it's more like a distorted sound, but I'll play that now so that you can hear what I'm talking about. So it's still the same sample, but now I added guitar rig and that vinyl sound, and this is how it sounds like now. So now it sounds grimy and dark. So that's the whole breakdown. Now let me play you the final sample, and the final sample sounds like this. So yeah, that's the final sample. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you're still watching, thank you very much. And I also have a sample pack that is out right now. It's completely royalty free as well as free. The name of the pack is Lunch and Dinner, and the sample pack will be in the description of this video if you want to download it. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next week. Thank you very much.